Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Our good name is Garytech Interior Design. Whenever you are watching this video, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you are watching this video. So over here we have a 4-bedroom house that we are on a ceiling. We are installing our ceiling board and then ceiling board inside. We have completed our plastering, and then now we are on ceiling board, and then later we'll have our molding work and then maybe paint work. So I will let you inside and then I show you how so far we are going. Like you can see over here, I have these amazing pillars that of which we are I think in 2 days our molding work will be started. Like you can see, so there are two. Like you can see, this is the first one, the second one, and then there's a single one over here, and then there are two at the end over there. So these are 4-bedroom with the kitchen, dining, and a sitting room, and then a public toilet, and then a master bedroom. It's an ensuite. So kindly make sure you have subscribed. So this is the balcony, the front porch of this house, like you can see over here. And then I think everything is the only thing that is remaining here, it's only molding work. And then over here, this is the entrance. Like you can see, we'll come and then install here a double door, of which is a steel door that will be over here. And then over here you have this corridor. Like you can see, is a single corridor of which this side is a kitchen, and then other side the kitchen, and then bedroom. There's a bedroom there. There's another public toilet with a bedroom, and then the bedroom over there. So over here, this is the sitting room. Like you can see, this is the sitting room. It's so quite spacious. Like you can see, our windows are 4 by 5 by 4 in size. Like you can see, it's just quite spacious. We advocate to have at least a quite bigger window so as to have a natural light inside our entire project. Like you can see on the ceiling, we just went with a normal ceiling design. We didn't just go with a ceiling or a gypsum. We times do with a ceiling or a gypsum. So this one we just went with a ceiling. Like you can see, we have just drawn over here a simple design over here, of which we'll come and install our downlight there, our chandelier, and then our snake light, and then even our wall bracket at the like you can see over here. So this is the provision for our wall bracket, and then here we have done a provision for the electrical, of which here will be provision for the TV, and then a charging point over there. And then over here, this is the view of the dining room. Like you can see, this point is just quite big enough, so as maybe you are in sitting room, you can see what is going on the dining room. Like you can see, the view of this arc is so quite big. So at the end of the day, we'll come and have a molding over this, like you can see over here, and then at each end of this arc. So this is the dining room, like you can see over here. So here we'll have our serving window. We'll come and make our serving window over here, so as to have a communication from kitchen to the dining room. So everything is just finished over here. The ceiling is not yet done, but after they have finished from the sitting, they will come on this dining room. We have done our socket. This is the double socket that will be used to serve this dining room, of which we have a 2 wall bracket. So the first one is just over there, and the second one is just over there. So guys, if you have watched up to there, kindly make sure you have subscribed to this channel. So I will appreciate you so much. So over here on this my right hand, this is the first bedroom. So I will let you inside and then you see. So this is the first bedroom. Like you can see, it has 2 windows, of which the windows are 4 by 4. Like you can see on this for this room, of which it's just quite enough. Like you can see, even now it has just a natural light. And then on ceiling design, we just went with a flat ceiling design only. We didn't just go with with any designing for, let's say, for good decoration. So the owner suggests to have a flat ceiling design only on this first bedroom. And then over here we have a separation for the public toilet and the second bedroom. So over here we have this decoration over here, a arc that will even then just have a molding work at the end of the day. So this is the separation, a small corridor that separate between our second bedroom and the public toilet over here. So this is the public toilet. Like you can see, it's just quite big enough for this entire site. Like you can see, we have done plumbing. This is the stopcock that will be used for this to serve our shower over there. This is the provision for the hand basin that will be installed over there, and then this is the pointing for the toilet, and then that is the window that will be used on this toilet. And then on this end, this is the second bedroom. Like you can see, the ceiling design is for flat ceiling design. Like you can see, it's only flat. We didn't just go with any decoration, we just went with the flat ceiling design. And then it has one window, of which is a 4x4 window that is enough for this particular site. Like you can see, the window is quite big. Now it's on a daylight, but you can see there is enough light on this room. That's why we advocate to have a bigger window on each and every room, so as to have a natural light here. And then over here, this is the dining room, this is the kitchen, and then this is the pantry over here. Like you can see, we are doing the ceiling. They have finished the ceiling design, but I think we can't access through to the end. Like you can see over there, there's a balcony, and then we have done our low level over there for the worktop over. So I'm going to lead you to the third bedroom and the master bedroom. So over here, this is the third bedroom. Like you can see, it's just quite spacious. It's just quite big as compared to the first bedroom and the second bedroom, of which our windows, like you can see, they are so big, over enough for this side. And then at the upper part, like you can see, our flat, we just even went with the flat ceiling design. So we didn't just went with the decoration. So the owner suggested to have his budget, it will be only for a flat ceiling design. So and then we just had a conversation, and then we install it over there. So I'm going to let you to the master bedroom. Like you can see, this master bedroom is also quite spacious. So like you can see, you can just come from here, just going up to end over here. So meaning this master bedroom is of bigger size as compared to the other bedroom. This one is of which this is the master bedroom. It is a must to have a little bit different with the other bedroom, of which the windows, like you can see, it's for 5x4. Like you can see over here, that is 5x4, so as to have a natural light whenever you are using this bedroom. Like you can see on our upper part, we have not yet done our ceiling, but there's a decoration that will be done on this master bedroom. Because this is a master bedroom, we can't just leave it on just bare. So we'll just have install the ceiling, and then we'll done our decoration. And then over here, this is the master bedroom. Like you can see, this master bedroom, it's just even quite big enough. Like you can see, this is the stopcock. We have done our plumbing work over here. This is the stopcock that will be operating our shower over here there. And then this is the pointing for the toilet, and then this is the pointing for the hand basin that will be come and then install it over there. And then like you can see on this floor and this wall, we have done, there's a big separation of a wall, of which will come and then place here a wall tiles, and then upper part we'll just have to do a painting work only. So guys, if you have watched up to there, kindly make sure you have subscribed, comment, share, and then I will appreciate you so much. So let's meet on the next video of this house when we have done our all ceiling design. We have just even, I think I'll give you when we have done our ceiling, and then either ceiling or we have done our undercoat of this house. So I will going to let you step by step each and every step of this house. So if you want to work our services, our number is 0746289667, 0746289667. And then if you are, let's say, watching from abroad or outside country like Kenya, you must start with a +254 76289667. That is the country code for Kenya, a +254. That's the country code for Kenya. So I will appreciate you so much whenever you have subscribed, or you have if you have, maybe you have contacted back to us if you have need any construction support. So let's meet on the next video, God willing.